Okay, so this is how you make vector libraries to add into Krita. You can like resize them, ungroup them, whole 9 yards, like the default war balloons that Krita has. It's really nice to do comic bubbles, comic speech bubbles. What you're gonna do first is download Inkscape. Just Google Inkscape download, you'll get it. When you open that, when you get it, and this is not the default layout. I customized my layout and it's kind of shit, but yeah. What you want to do is go to Toolbar, Objects, Symbols. That'll create the Symbols dialog box that you need. And you'll go ahead and make your shape or symbol or whatever. And you can do this in a normal document that you have already. I'll go ahead and just select all views, group them, go to the symbols dialog, make sure you're on current document, go down to this button, says add symbol from document, hit OK. It'll add it. You can use it from here as well. Now you want to go and go ahead and save this document. Save as. And go to downloads. You want to save it as an SVG, and you just name it whatever you feel like or makes sense. And you can go ahead and close Inkscape for this. And go ahead and open Krita and go to Settings, Manage Resources. This will allow you to open the resource folder. I'm going to go down to Symbols, and there it has my pre-made ones that I just showed you. What you want to do is go to the folder you saved your document in, and go ahead and drag that to the symbols. There's a file path if you just want to go there. That'd be users. And after you get that done, you just want to go ahead and reload Krita. And then once it's open, go ahead and make a new file. And there you go. You have your vector in your Krita. You can go ahead and ungroup, do all the fancy things you can do with vectors in Krita. And that's it.